I am back in the hot seat with the beautiful Adeola, and today we are talking you through the gift of beloved lips. Let me tell you, if ever existed the perfect stocking filler, this is it. At only €25 or £20, it's worth €38 or £34. It's an absolute steal. It also contains 2 brand new and exclusive products that you will not find in the Sculpted range anywhere else outside this set. Let's show you a look inside now. So inside, like I said, we have 2 brand new and exclusive only products you will find inside this gift set. A brand new combination called Mocha Pink in our lip duo. This is a lip liner and lipstick that we're going to show you on in a second. Plus, I think this is your favourite, clear lip oil.
I love a lip oil.
Okay, shall we get them on?
Yes.
So talk me through why you love lip oils.
I just think lip oils are super conditioning and hydrating, and they're a really great way to give you that nice plumpness to your lips, as well as also that nourishment at the same time.
Yeah, I actually think the nourishment is like the secret sauce to a lip oil that we don't talk about enough.
Yeah.
This is Mocha Pink. So it boasts a beautiful combination of like a rosewood deeper pink paired with the perfect nudie pink.
I love that you thought of everything. So you've got your lip liner, which, do you like to apply that first and then go in with the lipstick afterwards, Aimee?
Do you know what? You can do it either way. I think I tend to, as I'm doing now, apply the lip liner first. But actually one of my top tips, if you're someone watching this who maybe has been gifted the set, or you're thinking of gifting for someone in your life and they're a little bit conscious of lip liner, I actually find if you do the lipstick first and trace outside your lip, it can be really easy and not as like harsh of a lip line look.
Exactly, yeah.
Whereas I love lip liner.
I love lip liner. It's a must for me. And this is beautiful, like the formula, it's so creamy. Look how it's just gliding on the lips. It looks amazing.
I think as well, the key to feeling comfortable with your lips is having a creamy lip liner, like you said, that's easy to smudge. So in this Mocha Pink combination, like all of our lip duos, the lip liner is a little bit deeper, and I'm gonna pair it with the neutral lipstick, and that gives the most flattering finish when it comes to your lip combinations.
So beautiful.
I just
Such
love a nude.
Yeah.
Love
and it
a
takes
neutral.
the guesswork of having to try and pair your like lip liner and lipstick.
Like, how many lip liners have you lost on occasion?
Right, exactly.
So at least it comes in one. So that is Mocha Pink, the exclusive combination to the gift of beloved lips. And of course, we have our clear lip oil. First time we've ever done a lip oil, by the way.
I love it. And with it being clear, it means that it can go over any sort of lip combination. I love a lip oil because look how luscious and beautiful that makes your lips look, and it's not sticky. If you are a fan of that glossier look, but you always find that, you know, lip glosses, you get your hair stuck into it, this is the perfect way to give you that sort of like glossy look without the commitment of that sort of stickiness as well. It feels amazing.
It's like glossy
Smells
comfort.
good as well. It doesn't even feel like you're wearing anything. It's very lightweight as well. And the finish is absolutely stunning. One on its own, but also over that lip combination. It's absolutely beautiful.
And there we go. That is our gift of beloved lips, featuring 2 brand new and exclusive products, one entirely new category to us as a brand in general with our lip oil. Only €25 or £20.
It's gorgeous. Definitely going to be a
steal.
sellout.